Looking for a recession-proof business opportunity? One with customized protected territories tailored to fit you? Become an exclusive ENECON distributor. ENECON has spent decades helping companies of all sizes save their two most important resources, time and money. Damage caused by erosion, corrosion, chemical attack, impact, wear, and hydrostatic pressure is inevitable. ENECON's wide range of repair and protection materials provide cost-effective solutions needed by customers everywhere. If you become an exclusive ENECON distributor, you too can offer these same industrial strength solutions to companies of all sizes. You'll be provided everything you need to succeed. Significant distributor discounts, complete product and sales training, marketing support, and more. So many businesses across the world need our products. So opportunity is everywhere. Join our team of exclusive ENECON distributors today.